Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septien. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, this time of a company that I've been really wanting to try out for a while now, and that is Cleer Audio. These are the Roam NCs. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off of here and see what they look like. Now on the box it says that these have active noise cancellation, they have built-in mics, and it says that they have 5 hours of playtime. So let's look over, turn them over on the back. Then we got active noise cancellation. Okay, up to 5 hours of playtime, extra 10 hours with the case, IPX4 splash resistant and sweat proof. And these also work with an app, so that's cool. I didn't spend these much on there. I think I was like 50 bucks on Cleer Audio. I looked for these on Amazon, I couldn't find them. So they're on Cleer Audio, and I also got like a pretty good deal. So we open up the box. We got the buds. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, we got the user manual in a nice cellophane plastic. Not bad. Okay, now, ooh, I like this. Look at that. That's very convenient. Okay, these are silicone tips. It says right here, small and large. Helpful. Oh, wait. Oh, we got more. Okay, so we got medium and large. So, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of silicone tips. Okay, I don't see a charging cable in here. Nope. Huh. That's odd. There's, wait, let me looking. No, there ain't no charging cable in there. Okay. So I guess that's it. So you get the buds, you get the user manual, you get the different sets of silicone tips, and that's it. So how did they expect me to charge this? If these are my first earbuds that I bought, like how did they expect me to charge them? Do you support wireless charging or something? Let's see what this says. Connect Roam NC to your device, listen to your favorite songs, customize your Roam NC with the Cleer Plus app. Okay. Still. Okay, these support micro USB. I mean, not micro USB, but USB Type C. Are these wireless charging though? Like, where's the cable at? I need the cable. Nope, these don't support wireless charging. That is weird. I've never seen a company not include a charging cable before. Okay, so you open up the lid. Look at the case. Okay. I think that, yeah, you can feel that lock into place. Good. We got a single LED indicator light on the front. Take the buds out. They're kind of a dot style, a little thicker. Have a very unique design. Nice looking silicone tips. Let me take this off and look at the nozzle. Oh, he's got some. Ooh, these things is big. That's what? 5 millimeter? Maybe 6. It's gonna be tough to put back on there. Let's see. There. Okay, so I'm gonna put these back in the case and see if these have any juice in them. Okay, that red light, I'm assuming that means that they're, well, they don't have a lot of battery life. Let me see. Or maybe that means they're charging. The fit is good. You got a good fit. Very snug. Not bad. I would have liked to get these in the black though. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Cleer Audio Roam NC True Wireless Earbuds. Leave a like, comment, share this video, and thank you for watching.